How to get Facebook Marketplace back. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Now once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you'll see this kind of interface in your Facebook page. As you can see at the navigation bar, there's no marketplace. So let's go ahead and get Facebook Marketplace back on this navigation bar. For that, go ahead and tap on menu icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, scroll below and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now simply select Settings. Now once you are inside Settings and Privacy, scroll below and then tap on Tab Bar. Now simply tap on Customize the bar. And as you can see, the marketplace is hidden. So go ahead and tap on this drop down of hidden. Simply go ahead and tap on pin. And just like so, the marketplace is back. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.